Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. Yesterday I retired from my full-time job, become a professional YouTuber, so you got to smash that like button because I need 1 million views a week to earn $100. But here we go. Trimming my lawn, and my old mate here, my Ryobi wippersnipper, spat it. It had a noise in it, like it had a dodgy bearing or something, and then all of a sudden it went quiet and it lost about half of its power. So I've just taken all these screws out. I'm about to have a look what's inside it. Right, let's have a little squidgery-dig what's inside. All the way. Alright, so this is a double insulated because it's got only 2 prongs on here. So let's have a little squidgery-dig, see if we can see what the problem is. The switch mechanism, so simple. Never realised they were that simple. Okay, so we've got power in. We've got a brush here, brush here. Because it lost half power, I think it's a potential that we've got a problem with one brush. It's a little bit of a strange arrangement here. It's got what looks to be a magnet with this cable wrapped around, this little wire wrapped around it, and that goes near the end of the brush. Let's see if I can get this brush out. Plenty of graphite left on it. Can't see anything wrong with that one. I'll put that back in. I'll check this other one. Same setup, just a little pin to depress. Springs straight out like that. Plenty of material on that one as well. Alright, I'm going to give this a spin with the cover off. See if I can shed any light on the problem here. Looks like it's got plenty of power. Enough power to just about throw the motor out of here. So, that looks fine. I noticed one brush was sparkier than the other, but that feels powerful enough. So maybe the problem is inside this little gearbox. So it was noisy, like it had a dodgy bearing, and then it lost some power when that noise went away. So perhaps we've lost something in here. Maybe like bitten off some teeth or something. So I'll pull that apart and have a little squidgery-dig in there. I'm just going to take this little drivetrain assembly off here, see what's in there, see if I can locate anything that's obviously wrong. When I fired up that motor, it looked like it was ready to jump out of its skin. This gearbox here looks like a sealed unit. All the electronics here, when I fired that up, was spinning fine. It wasn't making any noise. This I pulled off. There was a circlip there, it was fine. So everything else in here looks clean. A bit worried about these. Maybe that one of them came out of alignment. I'm pretty sure this is where our problem is, inside this little gearbox. I'll just put it back together, see if it's better or worse. It was spinning really well but not making any noise, so I don't know that if I had any problem with teeth ripped off or anything, you'd be getting a lot of noise. So I don't know that that was the problem, but after I've manhandled it so long, it probably is the problem now. So I'm just going to put it back together and see how we go. Doing a little live test there. Seems like it's spinning absolutely fine, so maybe I will just put it back together and see how we go. Now it's back together, let's just have a see if what we did there made any difference at all. As you can see, less engine noise and no speed. wouldn't cut through butter or milk. So what I'd like to do, I'll put this on the internet. There's a few Ryobi Facebook groups that I'll share the video with. If there's any solutions that you know of, or any spare parts that I can get for that little gearbox, just put those in the comments. And I'm going inside to upload this video right now.